'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh,
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new vlog, you all. So I just woke up right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my voice might be sounding thoda sa different because I have sort of sore throat. I don't know, it's probably because of the weather change or something. Recently it has been like a lot, you know, that gloomy kind of weather, rainy season here in Delhi, and I love that. Rainy seasons are my favorite. Like a lot of people don't like that, but I personally really like it. It's really nice and comforting and cozy vibe, and I love that. Anyways, a lot about the weather. So today's vlog is gonna be a random day in my life. Right now I just woke up, so I'm gonna go and like freshen up. First of all, brush and do my skincare, also take a shower. My hair not in a really great way right now, so I need to shampoo it. Also my like result has come out. The final, like overall my graduation is like complete now, so my final result has come out. Somebody texted like late last night on the group, so I could not check it last night. I was already on the bed, so abhi naha dho ke aaram se I'm gonna go and check after that, and I'll let you know as well what it is. If it is good, only then I'm telling you it. Also apart from that guys, I have a lot of like YouTube work, social media work today. I have to film 2 videos. One like a full haul I have to film, and second is a shorts video that I have to film. Plus I have to also write a script for a brand that I need to send to them today. Also guys, my room is quite a mess and I need to clean this up as well. I'm not going to clean it right now because it's gonna get messy again, because I have to film a haul. That is the haul that I have to film. I have like the boxes over here, so I'm not gonna clean it right now. It's gonna get messy again anyway, so after I'm done filming the haul I will clean everything one final time. Even that part is messy. Everywhere is. We're gonna have to clean all of this up. But abhi ke liye I'm gonna go freshen up and you know, shower, wash my hair today, and I'll see you guys after that. Alright guys, back from the shower. I shampooed my hair, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a haircut. You might have noticed previous wale vlog mein hi itself, I did not like mention it, but yeah, I got short hair again. Kafi yahan tak I think ho gaye the. I went short again because short hair I realized looks better on me, plus maintenance भी easy रहती है. My hair is like, उसकी क्वालिटी कोई इतनी अच्छी है नहीं. It's like generally frizzy, तो इतने लंबे बाल रख के कोई फायदा नहीं है. Shorter hair is much better. I don't think I'm having long hair ever in my life again, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do my skincare really quickly right now. Also I'm getting like several questions from you guys asking like, what am I doing now that my graduation is over? So I will be continuing my studies further. For now, that is what I was thinking, you know, going ahead with this subject, doing masters. The exact details I am not gonna be able to tell you guys because I myself am not sure yet. I'm working things out. Once it's finalized, I will let you guys know, of course, but for now let's just say ki I am going to continue my studies. My result is out now. I have to go and check it. I will after I'm done with my skincare and makeup. This time my paper went well. Like I think this semester, last semester ke exams, I was pretty happy with how they went. This time I put in thoda sa extra effort also because I knew it was like the last semester, so let's put in thoda extra work. So I did. So it is time to check if that paid off results or not. But first let's do our skincare. Also skincare se aaya, I got some new sunscreens. Obviously just look at that, the weather outside. Sunscreen is a must in that. And agar bahar nahi bhi ja rahe, ghar pe baithe baithe bhi you should wear sunscreen. So मेरे को एक like stock बना के रखना पड़ता है पूरे time because I run out of sunscreen pretty quick. So मैंने कुछ नए मंगाए अभी Amazon से. Let me show you guys. So I got like 6 new sunscreen as you can see. So I'm definitely not running out of sunscreens anytime soon. And these are all like tried and tested. I've already tried them, so that is why it's like an honest review right now. This is the first one. It is from Wishcare. This is their Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. It is so fluid that you know, you don't have to press it also. Like the moment you keep it down, it starts watering like this. It's super fluid, and sunscreens का texture is very important to me. You know those chip वाले जो होते हैं skin पे, I really don't like those. इसके बाद I got 2 from Aqualogica. तो ये 2 मैं लेके आई हूँ. The first one I have is this one. This is their Detan Plus Dewy Sunscreen. ये वही basic आपका cream formulation में जो होता है. Smell इसमें नहीं है. It is like fragrance free, so I like that also. Some of them have like, you know, an obnoxious smell smell that you don't like. And the next one I have is this one. This is their Glow Plus Infused Water Sunscreen. Like I emphasized texture, and like the name suggests, again it has a watery texture, so you can see how it's like dripping. Again, pretty cute chota sa bottle hai, so you can put it in your bag. The next two I have are from Mamaearth. This one is the beetroot one, and this is the Upton. The beetroot wala I like because of the smell. It has a really nice smell which I really like. Its texture is again similar to this, just the flavor is different. Both of these are SPF 50 protection. And the last one I have is this one from Dr. Sheth's. This is their Kesar plus kojic acid sunscreen. This one is not that fluid texture. ये थोड़ा सा thick है, as you can see. Blend काफी easily हो जाता है, as you can see, like that. And काफी lightweight है. So love all of these new sunscreens. इन सब का link मैं description box में नीचे डाल दूँगी, so you guys can go and check it out. Also guys, Amazon Prime Day sale is live from 20th to 21st July, where you will get 50 to 80% off on 1500 plus top brands and same day delivery on over 4 lakh plus styles. Hit the link below and shop now. Anyways, let's do our makeup.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside, but now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time.
Alright guys, so I just checked my result right now, and you guys can congratulate me now. I have graduated, officially passed all my exams, and I got first division as well, which is great. It's good, cool. That is the end of my graduation guys. So I just checked my last semester ka pura everything of all the 3 years. Finally in the end I have passed first division. So yeah, that is the end of my college journey, you guys. I'm gonna go and tell my parents also. They are here at home, so I'll just go and tell them, yeah, it is done, everything is done. And yeah, that just one fine day and your graduation is officially complete. It's just like any other day. So अभी ये तो हो गया the result क्या है, and वो जो आपको वो मिलता है ना certificate thing जिसमें आपका लिखा होता है the degree that you get, वो अभी नहीं मिला है. I don't know when we'll get it. वो probably we have to go and collect it like physically जाके office से college में collect करना पड़ेगा. But yeah, digitally हमें अपनी marksheet वगैरह मिल गई है. But yeah, the actual degree जिसमें लिखा होगा, you know, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली से मैंने पास आउट करा है एंड एवरीथिंग, वो बाद में मिलेगा. एंड उसमें आई डोंट थिंक आपका कॉलेज मेंशन होता है. लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम LSR लेडी श्री राम कॉलेज, तो उसमें मार्कशीट में आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज मेंशन कि विच कॉलेज यू आर फ्रॉम. वो बस दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ऊपर लिखा होगा. या नाउ वी हैव टू गेट टू द YouTube work that I was talking about. I have to film 2 videos, so let's go and get to that now.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na.
Okay guys, so I'm done filming one video, the haul video. The मौसम, it is so nice. It's like really gloomy. It has been raining so much lately. But अभी फिलहाल it is time for lunch. So we're gonna sit down to eat lunch now. So let's go.